If you use Safari as your default web browser on your iPhone, then you might not know that you can easily customize how it looks in the options that you have available on your start page. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can customize Safari using iOS 16. To start, open the Safari app. The screen we'll be customizing is the start page here. If you already have a tab open like this, then to get to the start page, just tap the search bar at the top, or tap the tab icon on the bottom right, and then open a new one by hitting the plus sign. Here you'll see the default options like favorites, shared with you, reading list, and if you have other Apple devices, then shared Safari tabs. At the bottom of the page, tap edit. Here you can go through and turn on or off the different default options that you want. For instance, if you want to turn off frequently visited or Siri suggestions, you can just tap the slider on the right to turn them both off. At the bottom, you have the background image option. Turn that on, and then you'll now have different images to choose from. You can also tap the plus sign and then select an image from your phone if you want. Choose the image that you want to use, and now when I close this screen, you'll see that the Safari background has changed. And that's how you customize the start page for Safari on your iOS device.